Hey you guys, welcome to the 2025 and this is the first video of the year. So I think the last year I made a video like this around this time as well, and it's Filipino 2025 New Year's fireworks live revealed, and this time it's gonna be on Hello Philippines YouTube channel. So I already have seen that you are really going back to that video from last year's and watching it and like congratulating me with again with a happy new year. So I think I want to start this year as well the same way, because that was the best fireworks show I have ever seen and I'm watching it on the screen. I think that says a lot. Also, if you watch my welcome to 2025 video that I just made as well, I'm sick, so if I'm lower on energy or I sound all weird, that's why. So yeah, but this is not stopping me from making the video, because it's 4th of January. I wanted to make this video much sooner, but here we are. So yeah, let's watch it, let's enjoy it, and happy 2025 to all of you. Look even at that scenery, those buildings lit up like that. It's insane. Genuine.
와, 나 지금 아직 1시간
We
정도
have an hour
남았는데
left.
지금 모든 곳에서 번쩍번쩍
And it's already going up.
터지고 있어요.
I remembered last year watching it and just being mind-boggled. I was like,
지금
how is
여기는
it
건물에
possible?
가려져가지고 안 보여. 아, 나 진짜 너무너무 아쉬워요, 진짜. 와, 오, 지금 소리만 들어도 진짜 가슴이 벅찹니다. 와,
Yeah.
해가 밝기까지 1시간 전입니다.
It's crazy that hour before it.
와, 여보야, 좀 시작하나 봐 이제. 오, 이제 점점 시작하는 것 같아. 작년에 이 필리핀의 불꽃놀이를 보고 너무너무 깜짝 놀래가지고 있잖아.
그치.
이걸 잊지 못했어. 1년 전부터 나는 비행기표를 예약을 했어.
가자!
그 지금 밖에서 들리는 이 큰 소음들 있잖아.
그치.
이 소음들이
Even the
진짜
view
심장이
itself
막
is
막
absolutely
막힌다니까, 내가.
stunning,
아, 이제 조그만
honestly.
불꽃은 터지고 있어.
막 나팔 소리 엄청나게 들리고. 와.
우리도 샀지요. 오, 엄청
It's
크다.
so loud.
와우.
쫓겨나는 거 아니에요?
아이 설마 오늘은 이해해 주실 거야. 이 아이템이 하나씩 늘어나고 있어요 저희가.
That is so loud, wow.
저기 봐, 저기가 벌써 엄청 많이 터지나 봐. 저쪽 끝에는 검은 연기들이 가득 차고 있어.
아, 벌써
From the sound, it sounds like the fireworks are going everywhere, but
10분 남았습니다.
I see literally just a couple of places where it's shooting. Interesting.
와,
대박 대박.
This is
차가
amazing.
엄청 시끄러. 와, 대박이야 대박.
아 대박이다.
Why do I feel like I watched the same family last year?
우와.
As they said, they came back.
엄청 커.
Bought the tickets for this especially because they cannot forget
우리
how it was
폭죽
last year.
베이비들이 조금씩 터지는구나.
와.
5분 전.
5 minutes left.
5분 남았어요.
Okay. I'm very
우리
nervous.
베이비 폭죽들. 라라라.
It looks really calm till now, I think.
오.
Oh, look, there's some going on the side behind those buildings as well.
3분
3 minutes
전.
left. The suspense.
완전 기대되고 있어. 오.
와, 진짜 소리 봐. 와.
우리 봐, 엄청 터지고 있어.
Oh my god, 1 minute and they're already going. Okay,
9, 8, 7,
okay, countdown.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, here we go. Those are big, you know? This is great, honestly. I don't know if those yellow buildings are blocking all the fireworks. Because I remember so much more last year. Like, obviously it's already a lot, but like everywhere. It's just blowing up. Okay, now they're going. This is so fun. Ecstatic, oh my goodness. Yeah, now it's, yeah, this is what I remember, yeah. It's really going. That is why we come back to Manila. I feel like this is the same family I watched last year. So thank you guys for creating this video again. For all of us around the world to see it and enjoy it. I love the side camera as well. Enjoy it. Like, look at that. This is so cool. Look over here. Everywhere, all around. It almost feels like some of them are shooting them from top of the buildings. Is that safe? Like, the fact that they're not stopping at all is crazy.
이래서 낙엽 앞으로 오는구나.
Yeah.
대박!
Like that in between on those top of the yellow buildings, they're going hard. Like I genuinely feel like they're almost shooting in front top of the buildings. I don't know if that's safe. Wow. I can imagine how it feels like when you are literally there. Probably the buildings are like vibrating from the impact of every single firework. Like, look at it.
야 말이 안 나온다. 와.
Like, it doesn't look real. Also with those
너무
buildings
멋있다.
like lined
아
up.
이거 불꽃놀이
yellow
수준이
like that.
차원이 틀린데?
Yeah, they have different quality. This is so cool.
와 진짜 와 장난 아니다. 오 진짜 대박. 우와 이거 다 터지는 것 봐. 전체가 다 터져. 우와.
Yeah. Like, listen to the sound. Like under that music and everything.
다 터지고 있어.
It's
쉬지 않고
insane.
터져. 우와 이 많은 폭죽이 어디서 난 거야 다.
It's a lot of fire. Like, look at the smoke everywhere at this point already.
야 진짜 멋있다. 야 우리가 이걸 보려고 1년을
I
참았지야.
think all you have to watch this. This is so cool. Like, when I'm from in Latvia, nothing like this is happening. Like, we are allowed like just in a couple cities to do fireworks. Look at those.
그러니까
Motor sounds as
와
well.
대박이다.
오토바이 소리에 차량 소리에 지금 폭죽 소리에 와
저기 보여? 연기로 가득 찼어.
Yeah, it's covered in
안
smoke.
보여. 우와. 불난 것 같아 저기가. 우와. 어마어마하게 터졌나 봐.
Excessive amount. That's truly.
진짜 대박이다. 우와.
지금 혜원이가 넋을 놓고 있어.
아 그러니까. 이거 정말 10분 동안 터지고 있는
It's gone
거야.
for 15 minutes. Like, come on. Look at that. Wow.
우와.
I love those like squiggly ones.
이야.
They almost look like drones. those are so high up. Like so high up.
앞에서 봐야 돼. 우와.
I would love to see this in real. Like look at that.
와, 진짜 장난 아니다. 야, 불비다 불비.
Fire rain.
불비가 쏟아지는구나.
Like it's beautiful.
진짜. 우와.
Yeah, they always keep the best for the last. Like
야.
they warm up and then they go for it. Imagine how those people up there from the balconies could see the fireworks. It's insane.
이거 내년에 또 와야 되잖아.
Wow.
이야 진짜 와 장난 아니다.
Like that is epic.
와우.
Spectacular.
진짜 너무
Like I have
장난인데?
never seen fireworks like
시시한
this
터져.
really.
와. 지금 밖에 아무것도 안 보여. 진짜 연기 장난 아니야.
와, 진짜 벌써 까매졌어.
It's getting
우리
darker.
카메라가 좋은가 봐. 우! 진짜 멋있게 한다. 와. 아니
There's
지금
always I'm
전체가
probably like
연기로
staring at the screen and
갇혔어.
smiling like an idiot. Like this is
와,
so
진짜 장난 아니다. 우!
impressive.
다른 곳을 찍고 싶은데 라겔이 너무 멋있어. 우! 이야. 괜히 라겔 하는 게 아니구나.
Like it's not
진짜 말문이
stopping.
막힌다. 말문이 막혀.
It's insane.
해피 뉴 이어!
Literally happy New
우리
Year.
구독자분들 내년에도 같이 해요.
함께요.
우! 장난 아니다. 우와 너무 멋있어. 우! 대박. 대박. 우! 우!
Yeah, and also I feel like this is more centered for this middle piece this year. I feel like last year it was like a mayhem
와, 진짜
everywhere.
멋있어. 진짜 멋있어. 우와.
Look at those in the middle coming up as well.
와.
Is this safe to be that close to the buildings? Because like that's in between those.
우와
buildings.
진짜 경이로워. 진짜 우와.
Like wow. True wow. Okay. I have goosebumps. That's insane.
뭐야? 이거 피날레인가봐.
I think that's the final.
우와.
Yeah, wow.
장난 아니다. 진짜 우와.
That was beautiful. Also, on the previous video, you guys said like it's a complete war zone basically.
대박이에요, 대박.
On
지금
New Year's
보이죠?
and like
지금
that I
불난 것
see
같아,
that.
불난 것 같아.
Like
그 정도로
it's beautiful, but also could be also really dangerous.
진짜 멋있다.
Probably.
아, 올해도 역시 후회하지 않는 선택이었어.
와, 감명 깊었어.
너무 감명 깊었어.
It was really
대박인 것
impressive.
같아.
이게 정말 너무 폭죽놀이가 정말 사방에서 터지고
맞아.
또 우리가 바로 보고 있는 저 라그엘시티에서 너무 크게 터지다 보니까
오, 장난 아니야.
이게 진짜 계속 소리를 지르게 되고 너무
나
멋있어가지고
목이 아픈데
나 지금 목 아파.
소리가 계속 나와.
You guys, this was absolutely incredible. I feel like this could be like a new tradition for me to watch Filipino New Year's fireworks because they are like nothing else. Like I said, where I'm from Latvia, we don't have basically nothing like that. Like we have couple cities that are allowed to have fireworks. Obviously, like private like houses like buy like fireworks. Like my family, we every year like shoot like couple boxes of fireworks, but like it's nothing like this. Like this is mad. Like the scale of what they have built, and you guys been telling from like last year's video, like it's been like this for decades. And like it's a beautiful night, you said, but it's also a really dangerous night because like a lot of people get injured, and like I can see that happening from how much fireworks are there. Like it's not possible that there's like gonna go smoothly, but the visual of it all is just so rich and brilliant. It's just so, I don't know, it's magical. Like, and I also against that like dark scenery of the city, like overview, like a skyline. And I love what they have done this year, like with like highlighting all these buildings, like like sides with yellow, like it's such a, like I know it pops in your eyes, and then like adding fireworks on top of it, like beautiful fireworks. It's incredible. Wow, again, thank you to the Hello Philippines. I really truly think that I reacted last year to the exact family. Let me check. Yeah, you guys, it's the same family. It's from Hello Philippines. So thank you guys so much for creating this video again. And I mean, they already said they're gonna return this year for the next year's fireworks. So I'm looking forward to that already. Like, I really can see that like becoming some sort of a tradition, because like there's a lot of people who come to their channel to watch the fireworks and the show it all, and like their excitement as well is so endearing and sweet. So that's so beautiful. Also, let me know in comments down below, how did you celebrate your New Year's? How did it go? If you don't celebrate, I hope you had an incredible day, but no matter what you did, I hope you made the best of it. And yeah, let me know in comments down below if you were also there somewhere in the city watching the fireworks yourself, your experiences from it or from years before. I would love to hear the stories in the comment section, so I will be reading your comments. And for a great 2025, I just need to get back on my feet and get this cold away back in 2024, and keep on watching videos like this with you through the rest of the year. So yeah, anyways guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Happy New Year, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.